Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex gold trading brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Trading gold in Forex offers several advantages for traders. Gold is a safe haven asset, often sought during times of economic uncertainty, making it a good hedge against inflation and currency fluctuations. It tends to maintain value during market downturns, providing portfolio diversification. Gold also has high liquidity in global markets, enabling quick trades and narrow spreads. Additionally, the price of gold can be influenced by a variety of factors such as geopolitical events, interest rates, and economic data, offering multiple opportunities for profit in both short and long-term strategies. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex gold trading brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex gold trading brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IG. IG is a leading online trading and investment platform, providing a comprehensive suite of financial products and services to traders and investors. IG empowers users to engage in a diverse range of financial markets, and as a leading player in the financial industry, their platform offers a user-friendly interface coupled with advanced trading features to facilitate seamless and informed decision-making. IG has positioned itself as a trusted partner for those seeking to navigate the complexities of the global financial markets. The broker offers a diverse array of trading instruments on its platform, offering a variety of options for individuals and institutions. And these instruments include Forex currency pairs, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, futures, and options. This extensive range allows users to tailor their portfolios to their specific investment goals and risk preferences. With competitive spreads and leverage options, IG provides a versatile and dynamic trading environment for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. IG offers a diverse range of cutting-edge trading platforms, tailored to cater to the varied needs of traders. These platforms are designed to provide seamless and intuitive experiences, empowering traders with advanced tools and features, and includes the IG proprietary trading application, MetaTrader 4, auto trading through Pro Real-Time, and more. Whether traders are beginners or seasoned professionals, IG's trading platforms aim to deliver a seamless and efficient trading experience, ensuring accessibility and functionality for all. They also provide a range of trading account types designed to meet the diverse needs of traders on their platform. Their accounts include spread betting and CFD leveraged accounts, share dealing accounts, stock accounts, the IG Smart Portfolio account, and the Smart Portfolio ISA account, with demo and Islamic account options. Each account type comes with unique features and advantages, allowing traders to align their choice with their specific trading objectives and preferences. They also provide a wealth of educational material aimed to enhancing market knowledge and refining trading skills. The educational resources cover a wide spectrum of topics, including foundational concepts, advanced strategies, risk management, technical analysis, and more. Through a variety of engaging formats such as video tutorials, webinars, and interactive courses, IG ensures that traders of all levels can access valuable insights and knowledge to make informed decisions in the financial markets. Whether for beginners or experienced traders, IG's dedication to education makes it a valuable destination for those looking to continually develop their trading expertise. Overall, IG stands as a prominent and trusted online trading platform dedicated to meeting the diverse needs of traders of all skill levels. With a user-friendly interface, a comprehensive array of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and a commitment to trader education through their academy, the platform provides a holistic and empowering experience for individuals navigating the financial markets. Whether one is a novice or an experienced trader, IG's commitment to transparency, innovation, and education positions it as a reliable partner for those seeking success in the dynamic world of online trading. At number 4 on our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. Coming in at number 3, we have FXTM. FXTM is a CYSEC and FCA regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from. and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. At number 2 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the CTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as CTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the CTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex Gold trading brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006 and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex Gold trading brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.